Wait, have you ever had pepper soup like this? You are not ready for this version. Today, I'm showing you how to make rich spicy pepper soup using Irish potatoes. It's simple, budget friendly and perfect for cold evenings or when you want something light but satisfying. As always, let's start with our ingredients. We have Irish potatoes, tomatoes, njangsa, we have garlic, ginger, bush pepper, country onion, also known as rondelle, white pepper, and bay leaves. We have a mix of green spices here and onion, vegetable oil, beef. It looks like this because I washed it with warm water. Crayfish, some seasoning cubes and salt, and hot pepper. I'm going to begin the cooking process by washing the Irish potatoes. As you can see, there was a lot of ground on the Irish potatoes, so I had to take some time to wash it. After washing the Irish potatoes, I went ahead to peel it. I cut some into sizable chunks so that it doesn't get mushy during the cooking process. This is how my Irish potatoes looks like after peeling and cleaning it. I'll move on to slicing my onion. I'll dice it nicely. Then I will slice my tomatoes. I love the color of these tomatoes. I love this particular variety. Look at how red it is. Look at that. Look at the beauty. This particular variety is so juicy and I love it. I will pour in the beef in a pot, adding some salt, seasoning cubes, and onion. The meat will produce its own water, so I will allow it to cook in it for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, pour in some water and allow the meat to cook until it becomes tender. After 15 minutes, open the pot again to see if the meat is ready and tender. At this point, I can see that my meat is already ready. Look at that, it's tender as well. So I'll go ahead to pour my potatoes into another pot. Then I'll add in a little bit of water. Pour in my tomatoes and my green spices. Add in some onion. And some salt. Some seasoning cube. Then I'll allow it to boil under medium heat for about 15 minutes. Now these are my spices, the spices I mentioned earlier. I'll mix them well to form a paste so that it doesn't appear as lumps when I put it inside the pot. After 15 minutes, This is how the pot looks like. Perfect. I'll pour in my mixed spices into the pot. Then I'll add in some water. Give it a good mix as well, so that the spices can blend well. Look at that, guys. At this point, I was already perceiving the aroma coming out from the pot. Add in your crayfish and give it a good mix as well. Now go in with your bay leaves. Scatter them all over the pot and add in your beef. Then pour in some vegetable oil to give it that shine. Allow it to boil for a while. After about 5 minutes, this is how our pot look like. Look at that, rich, spicy and perfectly cooked. This is everything. Light and so comforting. If you love simple meals with bold flavors, you have to try this. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Nagai's Food Haven for more delicious and healthy recipes. And let me know in the comment section, will you try this pepper soup with potatoes? See you in my next video. Bye bye.